dear students. How are you? I hope all very good. So welcome back to another class. So today let me start English chapter number 14, the lottery ticket. तो एक शॉर्ट स्टोरी है लौटने के टिकट की। तो जो एक हस्बैंड वाइफ होते गए, ठीक है। अब पहले बहुत नॉर्मल लाइफ जी रहे होते हैं, बट लॉटरी का टिकट होता है बीओपी के। तो कैसे उनके बीच पैसे को लेके, कुछ वर्क को लेके कैसे उनके बीच कॉन्फ्लिक्ट आ जाते हैं, कैसे उन चीजों को वो हैंडल करते हैं। सो लेट्स रीड द चैप्टर। स्टोरी में हम पढ़ेंगे Ivan Dimitrich, a middle class man who lived with his family on an income of 1,200 a year and was very well satisfied with his God, sat down on the sofa after supper and began reading the न्यूज़पेपर। जो इवान डिमिट्रिस था, वो एक मिडिल क्लास फैमिली से बिलोंग करता था और उसकी अपनी जॉब थी और 1,200 a year and was very well satisfied। मतलब वो अपनी जो जॉब कर रहा था, जो उसकी सैलरी थी, उसमें really satisfied था। उसको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी। वो अपने घर पे सोफे पे बैठ के आराम से न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ता है। I forgot to look at the newspaper today, his wife said to Nate as she cleared the table। जब उसकी वाइफ टेबल साफ करेगी तो साफ करते करते बोली कि मैंने अक्सर न्यूज़पेपर देखा ही नहीं। लुक इट सी वेदर द लिस्ट ऑफ ड्राइंग इज देयर। तो देखना जरा, मतलब उसमें क्या होता था, लौटते टिकट जो होते थे उनकी लिस्ट के आगे। Yes, it is said Ivan Demetrius bus has your ticket max. No, I took the interest on Tuesday. What is the number? तो series थी 9,499 number 26. Alright, so we will look 9,499 at 26. Ivan Demetrius had no faith in lottery, luck and book note. मतलब उस व्यक्ति को जो है इन चीजों पे ट्रस्ट नहीं था। वो फेथ नहीं करता हुआ लॉटरी वगैरह टिकट मतलब पैसे पे चीजों के उसको कोई विश्वास नहीं था। Okay, have consented to look at the list of bidding numbers, but now as he had nothing else to do, and as the newspaper was before his eyes, he passed his finger downwards along the column of numbers, and immediately as the door in motley over susceptibilities no further than the second line from the top, his eyes were caught by the figure now 9,000 caught rectangular unable to believe his eyes। मतलब वो नंबर उस न्यूज़पेपर में आ दिया था। तो उसकी क्या हुआ था, अपनी आंखों पे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा था टुक भी। ओके, he immediately dropped the paper on his knees without looking to see the number of the tick, and just as for someone had given him doubts of cold water, he felt an agreeable chill in the pit of the summer, tingling and terrible at sweet. So Masha 9,499 is there, he said in a podo voice. So his wife would at his astonished and panic-stricken face and realized that he was more 9,490 like she asked, suddenly pale and dropping the phonetic table clock on the table. Yes, it really is there। है ना, उसको विश्वास नहीं होता कि वो बार-बार पूछती है। वो कहता है सर हस्बैंड की हाँ नंबर इसमें है। And the number of the ticket, oh yes, there's the number of the ticket too, but stay wait, Joe, I say anyway, the number of our CDs is there. Anyone you understand? Looking at his wife, Ivan Dimitrich gave a broad, sinister smile like a baby when a bright object is shown. Okay, so his wife smiled too. It was as pleasing to her as to him that the only when she did not try to find out the number of the bidding ticket to torment and tantalize herself with hopes of possible fortune is so sweet, so filling. It is so series, said Ivan Dimitrich after a long silence. So there is a probability that we have won. It's only a probability, but there it is. Well, now look, written it in, we have plenty of time to be disappointed. It's on the second line from the top. So the price is 75,000. तो क्या था उस लॉटरी टिकट का प्राइस? 75,000, 70,000 रुपए। That's not money but power capital. And in a minute, I shall look at the list and they are 46. I say, what if we really have won? The husband and wife began laughing and staring at one another in silence. The possibility of really we could rebuild or done, they could not have said, would not have dreamed. What they both did that 75,000 for what they would buy their they would go। मतलब आप वो 75,000 अमाउंट सुन के कि वो मतलब को देखो दिमाग में चलने लगा, हम क्या करेंगे, काम में जाएंगे, कैसे इस पैसे को यूज करेंगे। ओके, they thought only of the figure 9,499,75,000 and pictured down in their imagination. मतलब वो imagination उनका बहुत beyond जा रहा था. Why somehow they could not pick up the happiness itself, which was so possible. Iwaki Nicholas holding a paper in his hand, worked several times from college Warner, and only when we had recovered from the first impression, began to be a glitter. And if we have one, he said, why would be a new Lalik? It will be a transformation. The ticket is yours, but if it were mine, I should first upon, of course, spend 25,000 on real property in the shape of an skate, 10,000 of immediate expects, new fatishi, traveling, paying debts, and so on. The other 40,000 I would put in the bank and that interest on. अब वो ना 75,000 को कैसे हमें यूज करना है वो चीज सोची. Spent 25,000 on real property in the shape of an state, 10,000 of immediate expenses, है ना, और न्यू फर्टिशिंग, ट्रैवलिंग, पेइंग डेट्स एंड सो होता है. अदर जो हमारी 40,000 बच जाइए उनको हम अकाउंट पे डालेंगे, उसका इंटरेस्ट डोनर बर्थडे will कराए. Yes, can state that could be nice. Sally was sitting down and dropping her hands in her hair in the Tuna or Lord provinces. In the first place, we should need a summer brida, and besides, it always been in at impo. At pictures came prowling on his imagination, each more vicious and cortical than the last, and in all these pictures, whose himself will fade, Saturday, healthy trail, warm, even cold. So hereafter, as ice, he lay on his back on the burning sand toast was steam on in the garden underlying tree. It is all. His little boy and bird are crawling about near him, digging in the sand or catching ladybirds in the grass, widows with deep picking of nothing and pinning on over that to need to go to the office today, tomorrow, or the day after, or tired flying stick he goes to the hayfield or to the forest, pour mushrooms, or watches the peasants catching fish with a net. When the sun sets, he takes a towel and soap and saunters to the bathing shed, where he wonders at his leisure, slowly rubs his beard, chits with the kinds, and goes into the water. And in the water near the barbecue, soapy surface, little fish flake to hang through and bean water beasts from their eyes after bathing in steady cream and milk. Grows. In the evening, a walk with the dark neighbors. Yes, it would be nice to buy an estate, said his wife, also brimmed and from her face. It was evidence that she was enchanted by her folks. Ivan did a trish picture to himself, autumn with its rains, its cool evening, and its St. Martin summer, and that season you have to take longer walks about the garden and beside the river so as to get solely chilled and then break a big glass of cold car and eat a salted mushroom or a sauce cucumber and that break another. So the children would come running from the kitchen and garden and bringing a carrot and the bed is smelling of fresh up. And then we could lie, swish full length on the sofa and leisurely catch up over the pages of some illustrated magazine. मतलब वो लौटे की बात कैसे वो हरकतें कर रहे हैं, क्या क्या वो चीजें कर रहे हैं, है ना, ये मेंशन है यहाँ पे. और कब्रे के स्पेस related unbuttoning is base fort get itself up to slough. Said part in summer is forward but cloudy, gloomy weather. It rains day and night. The bare trees beat, the wine is damp and cold, and the dogs, the horses, the cows are on. Wet, depressed, downcast. There is nowhere to walk on, can't go out for days together. One has to pace up and down the room, looking despondently at the play window. It is dreary. Ivan Dimitri saw and looked at his wife. I should go abroad, Marshall said, and he began thinking how nice it would be late autumn to go abroad somewhere to the south of France, to Italy, to India. I should certainly go abroad too, his wife said, but who get the number of the ticket? Wait. He walked about the room and went on thinking. It occurred to me, what if his wife really did go abroad? It is pleasant to travel alone, or in society of like careless women to live in the present and was such a thing and talk all the journey about the him, but their children see and turmoil with dismay over a way farther. Even British imagine his wife in the tray with a multitude of parcel baskets and bags. She would be something complaining that the train made her headache that she had spent too much money. At the stations, she would continually we haven't even for boiling water, bread and butter. She wouldn't have dinner because of his being too dear. She would evacuate the empty party. Be fought with a glass at his wife. The lottery ticket is hers, me got my. Besides, what is the use of her going abroad? What does she want there? She would shut herself up in the hotel and not let me out of this pursuit and no. And for the first time in his life, his mind dwelt as a map, and his wife had brought Adami and plain, and that she was saturated through and through with the smell of cooking, while he was still young, fresh, and Nandi, and might well have got married again. Of course, all that is silly nonsense, we thought, but why should she go abroad? What would she make of it? And yet she would go, of course. I can fancy in reality it is open to bar. Whether it is Nepal or plain, she will only be in my day, I should be. We depended upon her, I can fancy how, like a regular movie. She could lock the money up his suit as she gets it, she will hide it for me. She will look after valuations and finally with this part of her relations, all those rest, brothers and sisters and aunts and uncles would come crawling about the scene as they were. Here of the village ticket would begin buying it like beggars and calling upon them with colleague hypocritical smiles. The lads, the stable people, if they were with anything, they would ask for more why they were accused. They would swear and that slander the intentionally kind of miscoaching. Ivati Vitrish remembered his cold relations and their faces at which he had looked impartially in the past, sub him now and repulsive and he has such the ties it for. And his wife's face was startling as pencil and bitful anger shall up in his heart against her and he thought, Mary Ellen, she knows nothing about money and so she is Tiki, if she won it, she would give me 100 and put the rest away under the key. And he looked at his wife, not with a smile now, but we had a little. She glanced at me too, and also with little lingam. She had her own daydreams, her own plans, her own reflections. She understood perfectly well what her husband's dreams were. She knew who would be the first to try and grab what mates. It's Mary guys making their dreams and on the people's skits is what her eyes express. No, don't you? I was मैं understood her more. इस serpent जो है उसकी जो देखते का तरीका था उस समझ गया. He hatred began stirring again in his breast and in order to erode his bulky glance repeated spied her and the fourth page of the newspaper and read a triumph. Series 9499 number 46 not 26. Hatred and hope disappeared and once Alec began immediately to see to Ivan Dimitrich and his wife that their rooms were dark, it's small and low pitch, and that the supper they had been eating was not doing that good, but light heavy on their stomachs, that the evenings were long and wearisome. What the devil's the meaning of it? Said Ivan Dimitrich, beginning to peer into her. Wherever one steps, there are bits of paper under one's feet, crumbs, husk. The rooms are never swept. One is simply forced to go out. Okay, damnation takes my soul entirely. I shall go and hang myself on the first as well. हमारे सप्ताह में क्या होगा? क्योंकि डिजिट जो है 46 ना कि 26 और इतना उन्होंने खर्चा कर दिया देखो उन्होंने सामने देखे उस चीज को लेके एवे उस अभी पता लौटती का वो आया भी नहीं पैसा आया भी नहीं उसको लेके उनके पिछले पे सारे का अफेक्ट हो रहा है इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी so everyone the chapter is in here I book very well understand the chapter thank you